If the brokerage is not recruiting, they are going out of business. If you are broker owner or if you're a team leader, I mean, team leaders are a little bit different, but if you're not constantly looking for talent, if you're not constantly looking to attract talent, you're losing market share and you're losing your business. Eventually, you're going to be out of the business. And that's the reality of it, right? Look at the market the way it is right now. The market is shifting. We are doing 30% less transactions, and I'm talking about in MLS, than we did last year, the same period of time. We're in Metro Phoenix area. Last year in August, there were 9,000 homes that closed. This year in August, there are only 6,000 homes that closed. That's a 30% drop. So if you have the same number of agents from a year ago, most likely your numbers are about 30% down. But if you added more agents this year than you had last year, most likely your numbers are the same, if not even better. And then here's another thing you got to take into the consideration. If you stop recruiting or you're doing it consistently, agents are going to be leaving. There's a turnover rate of 30 to 40% in most of the brokerages out there. So that means if you have 10 agents in the beginning of the year, by the end of the year, you will end up with 6, 7, maybe 8, right? So you got to be constantly recruiting the top talent. And here's another that is important, is the fact that you don't let your existing agents to feel like they're the shit. You don't want the complacency to be the part of your organization. You don't want them to feel like they're content. They're the bowlers. You got to be constantly presenting them with a challenge, and the way you present the challenge is bringing better talent. And most of the brokerages, when they get that, they grow. Brokerages that lose market share and eventually die is because they do not recruit.